Henry Ford once said, "Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success." Of course, he said this about a team working within an organization, but it is also true for cooperation between organizations. According to the Tax Foundation, there are 1.7 million traditional C corporations, 7.4 million partnerships and S corporations, and 23 million sole proprietorships in the US. Just imagine how many of them have products and services that can be used together and make a valuable cooperation for both sides. Ideas like these pushed us to think of a new way for cooperation. And there it is. We created a new strategy for companies that use email marketing, Hot Lead Exchange. Email Marketing Room provides this service for businesses. The metrics of different companies and segmentation data about audiences are collected in advance. Then, the Email Marketing Room specialists look for complementary companies and organize effective cooperation. You can check our Hot Lead Exchange service in the first comment on this video. Now let's understand a bit more about it. So, what is Hot Lead Exchange? 1. We look for non-competing organizations that influence the audience you need. 2. We develop options for joint email campaigns in which one company presents to its warm audience a benefit of the other company's products, and vice versa. At first glance, this seems very simple, but organizing can be challenging. First, you need to overcome the formalities, thoroughly study the email marketing metrics of both companies, and understand whether the qualities of their audiences are equal. Then you should develop an acceptable campaign for both sides. Depending on the company's business purpose, they can use each other's audiences differently. For example, one company can solve a sales problem and the other brand recognition. In short, there may be different purposes. The important thing here is that any company has its warm leads, and those leads are happy to open emails from an already known address. If you don't spam and create real value, you can succeed. How to implement it? Formal issues are a big challenge to applying this strategy. Employees of different companies often don't trust each other at the first stage of cooperation and want to keep metrics private. Here, it is more effective if a third party carries out the initial organizational issues, and we are right here to help you cooperate and take your business to a new level. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in exploring more email marketing strategies and skyrocketing your results, be sure to subscribe to our channel and push the notification bell so that you never miss a video.